Plug the charger into a power source and connect it to the battery. Under normal charging conditions, the charger's indicator light will show a red light. Disconnect the charger from the battery. The charger's indicator light will turn green, indicating that the charger is powered on and working properly. Take a multimeter and turn the function dial to the DC voltage setting usually marked with DVV or the VM symbol. Connect the positive and negative probes of the multimeter to the charger's round port and measure the actual voltage. If the multimeter displays a reading, the charger is functioning normally. If the battery isn't charging, the issue lies with the battery. The second possible issue could be with the charger itself. The back of the charger will have a label indicating the maximum output voltage. As shown in the video, 54.6 volts corresponds to a battery with a 48 volts capacity. If you use a 42 volts output charger to charge a 48 volts battery, it may damage the battery. Therefore, always use the original charger that is compatible with your specific battery to ensure the battery's lifespan and proper use. When the charger shows a green light, it indicates that the battery is fully charged. Reinstall the battery onto the bike, then power on the bike and check the voltage on the display. Check if the voltage is close to the maximum value. If it is, the battery is fully charged. If not, continue charging.